Hey, this is Tom Pinella with Appspace here at Cisco Impact in Las Vegas. We've got a lot of really cool things on display. I'm going to show you one that we're showing for the first time ever. It's the ability to have information coming from the Cisco codec back to a room scheduling tablet, and the reverse of being able to send a command back in to let people know that you were checked in. So what we've got is Appspace running on both a RoomKit Mini and a room tablet. Obviously, imagine this outside of the room. So if I walk in, there's a call going on the room schedule on the RoomKit Mini. I can check in, now have booked that room, and it alerts the person in the room that there's someone waiting to come in and take that room. So the ability to not only be able to see that the call is in progress on this tablet, how many people are in that room, but then when I check in, it tells the person, hey, wrap it up. That's pretty unique, and it's the first time we've ever shown that. So we've been showing that off all day yesterday. We're here for day 2. If you want to see it, come by our booth in the hub or appspace.com/Cisco.